Me and Twee are here again on a beautiful rainy day. Right now the hourly says it's only a couple sprinkles, but I'm feeling quite a few big drops. This is, I don't know how to say it. Oh, this is beautiful. Except that you have to enjoy every moment of your life. It was it was Memorial Day weekend 2 years ago. I'm not sure if it was, calendar day. My best friend, the love of my life, when you find that absolutely true love. He passed away unexpectedly. It's really been a rough road. Ups and downs, and something happened last fall where I think I blocked my feelings, the good feelings, because of the pain that I was enduring. And that's not good, because I want to feel good. I want to be happy. I am happy. I am a loving, caring person. And somehow I think my brain just rewired to block these good feelings from coming in. So, plus it was a traumatically freezing below zero temperature in winter. So I was tense and rigid and cold and didn't move very much at all. And that has a lot to do with it too. My body just kind of going into survival mode, I guess. And then emotionally as well. So I don't mind the rain. I actually find it very refreshing. It's like beautiful God-sent mist coming down all over me. And being out in nature is my happy place. This is my church. Whatever makes you happy, that is your church. And you have to believe that. When you feel it, just stop for a moment and recognize it. That's all you have to do. And just appreciate it. And give gratitude for it. And hold on to it. Hold on to that feeling. Because if you let it go for too long, it's going to be hard to get it back. But you just have to keep going. So, this is new experience for me. And if I do post this on YouTube, just a little tidbit of what I'm going through. And I decided to share everything. The beautiful nature walks with my dog that I'm going to do as much as I can, hopefully every day. And just stop and appreciate nature's beauty. So, thank you for sharing my journey with me. You're never alone. And that feeling of loneliness is also creeping in. But I'm not alone. I'm not. And I appreciate that. Appreciate the love and everything that I have. I truly do. And I'm very thankful for it. So, on this sad, sad day, which will be for the rest of my life, here we are. And high spirits and pain are life. A little of everything is good for you, as they say. You can't have all of one thing. And you don't appreciate the other thing quite as much, do you? I think what else I want to say other than enjoy this beautiful rainy day as I am. And yeah, I really actually didn't find out until his passing until the morning of Memorial Day. He was actually supposed to be on his way back home. He was away for 2 weeks, and he was on his way back home that morning. And he was supposed to be. But as we found out, he passed late night, Sunday evening, or early Monday morning. We don't know for certain. It's really not that important, is it? But I do know he's here with me. I feel his love. And I'm going to continue loving him as I always have, whether he's here or not, physically. He's in me. He's with me. And a few months before he did pass, something came to me that I want to share. Yeah, hold on, Twea. Got my bells jingling. I felt the urge to say to him, you know, when we pass, the only thing that we take with us is love. And I just had this feeling like I had to say that to him. And I did. And he looked at me and nodded and agreed. But it's true. That is the one thing that we do take with us is our love. And just want you to pause and think about that for a moment. All this material stuff. You don't need this. You don't need that. All you need is food, water, and me. That was a saying I used to have. But you just need necessities. The rest is just decoration. For real. It is. It's really not that important. Because that's really not what's going to make you happy. Love makes you happy. That inner sense, that inner connection. And don't forget to connect with yourself and love yourself too. And that is another reason Twea and I are starting this journey. Getting back to being healthy again, stronger. I'm like not a couch potato, never have been. And I've had some really bad back issues that I've dealt with. But where I thought I wouldn't get past that, but I did. I still deal with a lot of pain, but I persevere and I just push through it. And I'm so grateful that I can do that, because a body that stays in motion is one that is always moving. So I think it's the other way there. A body in motion stays in motion, and that's true. So keep moving. Even if it's raining, get out there. And you'd be surprised how beautiful it is when it's raining. All right, that's it for now on this one. Oh, one more. There. I'm coming, Twea. Have a great day.